clip was taken from halfway of Gokyo climb to describe you how we have trekked from Tangnak to Gokyo village. The glacier you see is what we have crossed as today. After trekking over the pass, we trekked across this glacier. It was rocky and cloudy by the time I was walking over the glacier, so I did not use the clip in here. For your information, trekking from Tangnak village to Gokyo lake is complete walk over this glacier you see in the video. The trail keeps on changing, and towards the end of this glacier, we get to the narrow section and uphill, which is tricky. Take gentle steps, and you will get by the third lake of Gokyo and the village of Gokyo. The summit of Gokyo is 5,360 meters above sea level. It takes 2 hours and 30 minutes to climb in average speed. The trail is uphill in no tree line zone. At the beginning, we walk across the lake with magnificent view of Mount Choyu and start climbing from 4850 all the way to 5360. This 510 meters of vertical climb is hard if you maintain substantial speed. On the trail option to summit of Gokyo, you will pass by yaks grazing on the edge of Gokyo Hills and trekkers passing by in the narrow trail. Use those excuses as your rest stop. As you climb up, the view of the lake, glacier, and the mountains looks nicer. So when you take breath, turn towards the beauty, look back and reward yourself with the beauty of Gokyo Valley. From 1/3 of the trail, you will be able to see Everest, so walk more with this consideration. I bet the view is nicer than from the top of Chola Pass. As you walk higher, you will be able to see 2 lakes of Gokyo, the third lake and the second. The cloud mystery makes the climb more interesting, and you will forget how steep is this uphill. Most of the yaks are friendly, but some of them might be furious and willing to attack you, so look at their gesture or follow the suggestion of your guide. Talking about the view from Gokyo versus view from Chola Pass, if you remember the view from Chola Pass, the view of Everest was just the half top, but certainly the Everest view from Chola Pass is nearer than from Gokyo. However, from the Gokyo we can see more than half of Everest with wide mountain range of Himalaya, saying that the view of Gokyo is wider and hence far from Everest herself. Lake and glacier view is similar from both of these. This is the view of Everest from Gokyo. So let's talk about Gokyo Valley trekking itself. Among various trekking packages in Everest region, Gokyo Valley trekking is considered as an easy trekking to Everest, to see Mount Everest properly. This trek starts similar to TBC trekking, but from Namche Bazar, the trail goes on the left of Temboche Monastery. This Gokyo Valley trekking is also called Gokyo trekking and gives magnificent view of Everest from 2 major viewpoints, one from hilltop nearby Mochermo village and another from the top of Gokyo itself. Gokyo trek is suitable for people who want to see panoramic mountain view, including Everest and the world-admired lake of Gokyo. Gokyo has 6 different lakes, and trekkers will walk by the side of 3 lakes on the way up to Gokyo trekking. Whereas Everest Base Camp is not just about the view, but also about the fright getting to the base camp of the top of the world. In equity, if you can do Everest Base Camp with Gokyo Valley trekking, like we have done while making this video, you will get the complete hiking experience of Everest Base Camp.